Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be revealing the teaser of BPTP Group newly launched project with code name Lutyens located in sector 102 Gurugram. But before starting, do you know that what is Housey? So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. अनलाइक करंट लिस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म जहां अगर आप इंक्वायरी कर लेते हो तो आपका कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ। वेयर इन हाउसी वी कनेक्ट यू डायरेक्टली विद डेवलपर्स। हाउसी में लिस्टिंग ब्रोकर्स नहीं बिल्डर्स करते हैं, तो फिर यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए एंड बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विद बिल्डर्स ऑन हाउसी। Now in this video we will be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, sellable area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. So let's start with the project overview. So this project will be constructed on 12 acres of land parcel जिसमें आपको मिलेगी total 7 towers with each tower of ground plus 45 story building जिसमें आपको मिलेगी 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences with premium view. And as आप देख सकते हो हम आ चुके हैं इनके सेल्स गैलरी पे. So this is your sales gallery and sales gallery के साइड में आपको मिल जाएगा इनका land parcel. नाम अगर लोकेशन की बात कर ले तो ये प्रोजेक्ट लोकेटेड है इन सेक्टर 102 गुरुग्राम and this project is located bank on Dwarka Expressway. TCS is just 15 minutes away from this project. IGI Airport is just 20 minutes away from this project. Medanta Hospital is 25 minutes away and Cyber Hub is 30 minutes away from this project. So चलिए अब चेक करते हैं इनके amenities. Now let's discuss the amenities. In this project, you will be getting 50 plus luxurious amenities like 2 lakh square feet clubhouse, rooftop zen garden, swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, multi-purpose court, meditation zone and many more. Now let's discuss the sellable area. As mentioned, in this project, you will be getting 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies with 2 BHK 1600 square feet and 3 BHK's 2400 square feet sellable area. Now let's discuss the booking process. Project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and will guide you about the actual location of the project. And then if clients like the project, they can book by paying the token amount. This token will have multiple benefits like exclusive pre-launch discount, preference and flat selection. So everyone, this was a teaser of BPTP Group newly launched project with code name Lutyens located in sector 102 Gurugram.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.